Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve success and fulfillment, while others struggle to even catch a glimpse of it? Throughout history, humanity has been guided by timeless principles that govern the very essence of our existence. These spiritual laws, often overlooked in our modern world, hold the secrets to unlocking our true potential and shaping the reality we experience. Whether or not you believe in them, these laws are constantly at work, profoundly influencing every aspect of life on our planet. These universal truths have been cherished by mystics, philosophers, spiritual leaders, and even scientists. Despite being passed down through generations, they remain largely unrecognized and poorly understood in today's society. It's time to shed light on these hidden forces that play a crucial role in shaping our lives in ways we may not fully grasp. In this video, I'll reveal 3 spiritual laws that have already transformed the lives of countless individuals. If this is the first time you watch my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, by the way. Here, we weave together personal and spiritual growth with a motivational spark, often illuminating our discussions with a touch of science, psychology, and philosophy. It's all about unlocking your life's full abundance and stepping into your power. At its core, everything in the universe is made up of tiny particles called atoms, constantly moving and vibrating. This means that everything, including us, is essentially energy in motion. According to the law of vibration, every object, whether visible or not, vibrates at its own specific frequency. According to David Hawkins' map of consciousness, emotions like shame, guilt, apathy, grief, fear, and anger vibrate at lower frequencies, while emotions like courage, love, joy, and peace vibrate at higher frequencies. Our communication with the universe isn't through spoken language, but through the vibrations of our emotions. By maintaining positive thoughts and emotions that resonate with our desires, we can align our vibrational frequency with the energy we want to attract into our lives. The law of attraction is a powerful force that states that like attracts like. In simpler terms, this law suggests that the energy you emit into the universe through your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions attracts similar energy back to you. Essentially, what you focus on and believe in tends to manifest in your reality. Imagine your mind as a magnet. Whatever thoughts and feelings you consistently hold on to are like magnets that draw corresponding experiences and opportunities into your life. If you consistently dwell on positive thoughts and emotions, you'll likely attract positive outcomes and circumstances. Conversely, dwelling on negative thoughts and emotions can attract unwanted experiences. The key to harnessing the law of attraction lies in maintaining a positive mindset, visualizing your desired outcomes, and aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals. By doing so, you can consciously create the life you want and attract abundance, success, and happiness into your reality. The law of cause and effect, also known as the law of karma, states that every action has a corresponding reaction or consequence. In simpler terms, the energy you put out into the world through your thoughts, words, and actions will inevitably come back to you in some form or another. Just as a pebble thrown into a pond creates ripples that spread outward, your actions create energetic ripples that affect your lives and the lives of others. Positive actions lead to positive outcomes, while negative actions result in negative consequences. This law emphasizes personal responsibility and accountability for your choices and behaviors. By understanding and respecting the law of cause and effect, you can cultivate greater awareness of the consequences of your actions and strive to act with integrity, kindness, and compassion. Sow seeds of positivity and goodness. You can reap a harvest of blessings and fulfillment in your lives and contribute to the greater good of the world around you. An essential aspect of understanding these spiritual laws lies in recognizing the power of focus and intention. Quantum physics, as demonstrated in the double-slit experiment, provides compelling evidence for this notion, revealing that our conscious observation can directly impact the outcome of events and shape the very fabric of reality. It's a simple truth. Energy follows attention, and what you focus on tends to magnify. Yet, mere thoughts and words aren't always sufficient to bring your desires into fruition. Action is equally vital. Through deliberate, consistent action, you bridge the gap between your dreams and their fulfillment. Trust unwaveringly in the natural flow of events and the universe's boundless compassion. As the age-old adage goes, we reap what we sow, just as planting an apple seed eventually yields a bountiful harvest of apples. Your thoughts and deeds sow the seeds of your reality, shaping the world around you. The universe is infinitely abundant and generous, ever ready to fulfill your deepest needs and desires. Embrace an outlook of gratitude and abundance, opening yourself to the limitless blessings the universe bestows upon you. Remember, everything unfolds in its own divine timing, orchestrated by the universe's guiding hand. Even amidst uncertainty or adversity, trust in the universe's benevolence. Take a moment to reflect on how these spiritual laws manifest in your life. Are there areas where you can cultivate more positivity, gratitude, and patience for the universe's timing? Through subtle shifts in your mindset and actions, you can tap into the transformative power of these laws, unlocking profound changes in your journey. I hope this video has sparked something within you. If you find it resonates, please share and comment to extend its reach to others who might find it valuable. Remember to like and subscribe, and don't miss out on future content by hitting the notification bell. Every week I bring new videos and motivational shorts to inspire you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and may your spiritual evolution lead you to boundless joy and fulfillment.